If I could ever turn back time and do it all again, you know that I would, you know that I would. And if I could live it every night and do it all again, you know that I would, you know I would. You and I love so softly like soft surf ice on a Sunday afternoon. Where did I lose someone like you? Gone too soon. And now I'm awake in the middle of the night, wishing I had a little more time, thinking how all the years kept flying by, flying by. I'm trying to get you on my mind less, but then again I couldn't mind less. Got me like, what's in your coffee? I hope you call me and we can talk about our hobbies, yeah. Like finding movies to get lost in, and quoting phrases from The Office. What's it like to wear that halo? So sweet it's painful. So would you put me on your payroll, girl? I know it's probably not too healthy. You got me over here obsessing. Whoa. Friends call me stupid, call me crazy. Well, so long to sanity. In the diamonds, baby, like MasterCard, you're priceless. Steady, yeah, you got no limit. So girl, let's spend it. A couple weeks in Costa Rica where we both can kick it.
请与动物保持1公尺以上安全距离。
这个地方好复古的。
Lily. The Victoria lily pads can grow up to 3 meters in diameter.
Perfect date starts in a small cafe. There's hearts everywhere cause it's Valentine's Day. We order up waffles, then share the whole plate. Sit by the window and start to debate. There's nobody else I'd rather spend my everyday with. I think it's sweet, she sometimes winks when she laughs. I like the way she dances barefoot in the grass. Yeah, we get along alright. Cause I've been dating me my whole life. Afternoon sunset.
刚没看到，我抓
你好。
拿2公尺，小朋友小心哦。
形状，用它们的翅膀用力的去拍打水面，去驱赶鱼群到浅水处。请问我们题目一次可以装下多少公升的液体呢？它的囊袋。
13。
然后怎么样？所有的行为，经常小朋友。
月亮来着。
往东北。
我要。他怎么用手剥的？用毛？对啊。
那个不见了。